Hi, want to know how to add background music to Google Slides? Then keep watching. I'm Ram Gopal from aartiramgopal.com. The first step to add background music to your Google Slides is to have the music readily available in your Google Drive. Once you have it available, then go to Insert, go to Audio, and then choose the music you want to insert. In this case, I've got this music downloaded called Down the Hill. Let me select that and say Select. In a matter of seconds, the music gets inserted onto your slides and you will get the icon in the top left corner of your first slide. If you want to check whether the music is right or not, you can always click on this. Now, once you confirm that it is the right music, then you go to the right to Format Options. Here you have the option to start playing either on click or automatically. Let me choose automatically. The next set of options you have are Hide icon when presenting. Naturally, this is a good thing, so you check that. The other thing that you want to check is Loop Audio. If you have a short music loop, then it's a good idea to keep looping it till the time the presentation is finished, so you check Loop Audio. The third option is very vital. The question is, do you want to stop on slide change? That is, as you hit enter to move to the next slide, do you want the music to stop or you want it to continue to play? If you want the music to play in the background, then you need to uncheck this so that it doesn't stop on slide change. That is all there is to it. Now let us present the slides and see how the music plays. You can see that the music continues to play. I can keep moving forward, and when I hit escape, you can see that the music stops. So the music keeps playing in the background till the time you finish presenting your slides. So that is how you add background music to Google Slides. So did you like the tip? If you did, please like this video and share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button to encourage us to create more such videos. In the meantime, you watch these other videos to explore our channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.